Hi guys, Terry here. This is the start of our Western train trip. Glad you're here to watch. We had our neighbors, wonderful Carey family, bringing us down to the Greyhound bus stop in Columbus, Ohio. We grabbed the Greyhound bus. The facility downtown was very clean. We were expecting worse. But we waited our gate. We went about an hour before our bus ride, but really you could have shown up right before the bus ride started. So yeah, we sat and waited for the bus, and then we rode the bus up to Toledo, Ohio. So it was about a 2-hour trip up to Toledo, and there weren't a lot of people on it. Riding the bus is very inexpensive. And then we got to the Holiday Inn, and we went to dinner at a Mexican restaurant up there. The food was delicious. Steve checked in with Brittany to see how she was doing, how Hershey Girl was doing. She's watching the puppies while we're away. The food was delicious. This was a place that was right outside the Holiday Inn. Everything was yummy. And Steve had a couple of margaritas. So this is Steve walking back to the hotel. Can you see him there crossing the street? I was a little worried about him. So we're walking back to the hotel. Like I said, the Mexican restaurant was right across the street. Steve thought this adult entertainment center was open. It's not. So he's a little sad here. Watch him shed a tear. It was a little stormy. I think it was the cold front moving in. So this is us just walking back to the hotel room. And tell me, why is your hotel room always at the very, very, very end of the hallway? It seems like they always do this. They must start booking from the end away from the elevator. So we get in the room, and we're really just staying the night and then getting up. We leave for the train at 6 in the morning, so we have to be over at the train station. We were able to grab a taxi. And I wanted you to see this hotel room. For some reason, there is a giant tub in the room. We thought that was hilarious. So keep watching, stay tuned, and we will show you the train trip next. Thanks, guys.